I think we'll see small rain chances next couple days. If you're hoping for any widespread rain out of a tropical moisture, probably gonna have to keep looking for a while. But there is some moisture in the air, and with some afternoon heating, you might see a couple showers or a storm today. But right now, it's all super sunny if you go outside. Things looking pretty quiet overall right now. Tropical storm Barry is in the Gulf, though, headed toward Louisiana. No direct impacts here in the valley as far as any rain or thunderstorms from that storm. Mostly dry here over the weekend. In fact, if Barry intensifies into a hurricane, it may actually pull in some drier air here across South Texas and keep it hotter and drier on Saturday and Sunday. Right now, though, it's not too cool either. 95 in Rio Grande City, is 91 in Harlingen, 94 in Brownsville. Kind of the usual summer heat, though. No record highs or heat warnings or advisories or anything like that today. But it does feel hot. With the humidity, already feels like it's about 100 in most areas. 100 the apparent temperature. How hot do you feel in Harlingen? Also 105 in Brownsville. Keep in mind, too, these are calculated for the shade. So if you're standing in the shade with the humidity, it kind of feels like this. If you're out in the sun, dark suit, you feel much hotter than this. So stay cool again today. You might get cooled by a shower or storm in spots. Rain chances, put a little graph of the timeline here. We go from near 0% chance for rain right now to maybe in the 30, 35, almost 40% range at the most later this afternoon into this evening. So there might be a couple showers or a storm, but very few, I think. And then we quiet down for the most part tonight. And again, there might be a couple of random little showers and storms with the afternoon heating tomorrow. First 1.5 Doppler network is dry right now. No rain in the valley. You look a little farther out here, and you see a couple of little showers are popping up just to the west over in the mountains of Mexico and west of Laredo. You can see the flow in the atmosphere coming down from the north. Some of the models hint at a little weak upper level energy up here that sparked a few showers by San Antonio early this morning. May still drift southward, and that combined with the sea breeze and afternoon heating might spark a couple of these type of scattered showers or an isolated shower or storm this afternoon. So not a sure bet by any means, but just watch and see if the clouds form and build up, say after maybe 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon. Moisture out in the Gulf, showers and storms there. That's circulating around Barry, which is south of New Orleans, and Barry formed this morning around 10 a.m. And we'll take a look at Barry and see what's out there. Winds are at 40 miles per hour. Hurricane watches a good possibility here as hurricane force winds might try to develop as the storm intensifies by tomorrow, at least for the forecast. As you'll see the forecast here, and it does turn the storm a little bit more to the northwest over the next 12 hours or so, intensifies slowly and could make landfall along the coast of Louisiana by early Saturday morning. Forecast right now is for a Category 1 hurricane, but the main thing will be a lot of rain that could really cause some flooding. Some areas in southern Louisiana already had some flooding yesterday, and then you add in more rain on top of that, and it could be very nasty there if you are traveling that way this weekend. And then the storm weekends, but could still spread showers and storms up in the Midwest on Monday and Tuesday. So for the valley, like I mentioned yesterday, negligible impact. We're talking maybe a few little higher waves at the coast over the weekend beginning Friday or Saturday, but not much of an increase in the surf with the storm that far away, and a higher risk of rip currents might return later Saturday as well, but not much rain here at all. Any direct rain impacts from that storm far away from us. So any moisture we have with showers and storms mainly just from the afternoon heating and some moisture today. So today a high of 98, partly sunny most of the afternoon coming up, but there could be a shower or storm briefly in spots today. Kind of watch the skies and see if something is coming down from the north if you're outdoors. And then the first 1.5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Small chances of rain again tomorrow. By the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, it says a few afternoon showers, but that depends on the intensity and the track of Barry to the north. Again, if it intensifies more, it may actually pull in dry, hot conditions here. It may be a little hotter on Saturday and Sunday. So if you like 100-degree weather, that could be your weekend. And then next week, we stay mainly dry, breezy, and hot, and highs in the 90s. We'll keep tracking Barry and any rain in your first 1.5 forecast coming up.